Good afternoon. Oh, CM, you were finally able to join. कहाँ से मिला इंटरनेट?
टीचर फ्रेंड के मोबाइल से कर रही हूँ.
Very good. Thank you so much for attending. Chalo, we'll start the class. So all of you, I hope you have opened up your English notebooks by now, wherever you are taking the notes. Now we will take constant running notes right now. Okay? Not even running, actually, whatever you see on your screen, just note them down. So what I decided was, because I showed you the table in the morning, तो वो टेबल थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है एकदम से इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन एक साथ. So what we'll do is, one by one we'll take the tenses and we'll try to practice a couple of sentences based on that. And for this class, because you're just starting off with this conversion of sentences, we'll just take very easy simple sentences. फिर धीरे धीरे हम उसका कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ाते रहेंगे हर क्लास में. ठीक है. So before we begin, let's just revise once what we did in the morning. We were talking about converting from active to passive. बाद में in the next class we are also going to convert from passive to active. Okay, but that will happen later on. Right now we are just converting from active to passive voice. This is the general structure of the sentence. Whatever is in active voice, उसका subject हमारा object बन जाएगा और object हमारा subject बन जाएगा. So step 1 is always interchanging the subject and the object. ठीक है. Then step 2 is the verb, conversion of the verb. वो कैसे करेंगे? जो verb be होता है, so उसका कोई ना कोई form लगेगा. कौन सा फॉर्म लगेगा? दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस टेबल. ठीक है. So we'll select the form from that table and then we'll add the third form of verb, that is past participle form. So is, am, are के साथ past participle और third form में verb. Then has, have been के साथ past participle form में verb. This is how we'll convert the tense of it. ठीक है. Verb को इस तरह से handle करेंगे. And then last step will be, you will just add by in front of the old subject, so that it is clearly understood कि किसने किया था, who is the doer in this case. So we'll add by. Now we did a couple of sentences, we practiced a little bit, but right now we are just going to break it down even further and we will practice tense by tense. Okay, so I want you all to be really active. I will give you time to take down notes. I will tell you what to note down in your notebooks as well. And one more thing was, we have to remember that not all sentences can be changed. So if a sentence does not have a direct object, it will not be changed. If it is in future continuous tense, nahi change hoga. अगर present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous या future perfect continuous में हुआ तो भी नहीं change होगा. These are a few exceptions. All right, so then let's begin with simple present tense. ठीक है. I will wait, I need to write also. So I'll do this, I'll increase the screen size. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Let it be at the normal size only. Otherwise, लिखने में problem होगा. All right, so let's start with the first one. Right now, we are just dealing with simple present tense. Okay? So all of you first note down this much in your notebooks, the first two lines. This much you need to note down in your notebooks right now. If the active voice is in simple present tense, then this is how we'll change it. Is, am, are, ये verb conversion का है बस. Is, am, are plus the past participle form of the verb. Yeah, wait for a couple of seconds till you all note this down. Lakshmi, you have raised your hand. Do you have a doubt? Abhi doubt
By
का कुछ हुआ नहीं?
mistake.
Oh, okay, okay. Now Shubham has already sent the first answer. but we'll just deep dive into how we are doing it. ठीक है? Just for the first one, again we'll follow the 3 steps. First step, interchange subject and object. तो Damini is the subject, pizza is the object. तो ये दोनों तो change हो जाएंगे. So if I start writing the answer here, pizza बन गया हमारा object. Now next what we'll do? Next is the verb change. So I can clearly see this is a sentence in simple present tense. तो loves को मैं कैसे change करूंगी? Is, am, are plus love का third form. So pizza is singular. तो is, love का third form is loved. And then I will add by the subject. Or in this case, by the object. So by Damini. ठीक है? Pizza is loved by Damini. That's exactly what Shubham also wrote in the chat box. This is how we are converting. Let's try the second one also. The boy writes a letter. Again, what will I do? I will switch the object and subject.
Teacher, letter is written by the boy.
Yeah, so सिर्फ letter नहीं, अभी देखना क्या पड़ेगा, हमारा object letter नहीं है, object है a letter. Yeah, so we'll start with a letter, फिर is, am, are and third form of verb. ऐसा करना है हमको. तो a letter भी singular है, is, write का third form written, right? And then by the boy. तो पूरा चीज the boy आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. That's how I'm doing it. All right, now everybody, I want everyone to send in the chat box. ये third वाले का क्या हो जाएगा? Sushant reads a novel. Write in the chat box. How will we convert this?
A novel is read by Sushant.
Okay, thank you, Bhumika. But write in the chat box, everyone. A novel is read by Sushant. Novel is read by Sushant. Thank you, Lakshmi, Vaishnavi, Amey. Shubham, you have written a novels are read. यहाँ पे singular है. In the sentence itself, it says a novel in singular form. So a novel is, and then read by Sushant. Yeah. A novel, sorry, novel is read by Sushant. ठीक. Similarly, let's go for the fourth one. Everyone, please send in your answers. Champa doesn't obey her teachers.
Teacher, obey means?
मतलब उनकी बात नहीं मानती है. This case is a little different. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें negative आ रहा है. Does not obey. So there's a negative also. So you need to place the not, the negative word, in the passive form as well. उसको कहाँ पे लगाना है, कैसे लगाना है? Think a little bit. क्या हो जाएगा इसका? Champa doesn't obey her teachers. Again, we'll follow the same steps. Subject और object को पहले interchange करेंगे.
Her teachers.
Yes, her teachers.
Teacher, her teachers will be.
Her teachers aren't.
हाँ, so is, am, are में से कुछ एक लगेगा. But how will we know क्या लगेगा? Teachers is
Her
plural.
teachers are
Yeah.
not obeyed by Champa.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Shreya. Are not. So right after the auxiliary verb, I'm using the negative. Not आ गया इधर. And because teachers plural है, so are लग गया. So are not. And then obey का third form is obeyed by Champa. Last part to easy है. By Champa. Yeah, others are also sending the same answers. Teachers are not obeyed by Champa. Yeah. Yeah.
Teacher, I have doubt in the fourth. Means how? Means how did it come? Her teachers means I didn't understand that.
Okay.
The fourth one.
The only thing you need to understand is subject and object कौन सा है. Subject is Champa. ठीक है? Because I will ask who or what doesn't obey. Champa doesn't obey. So this is my subject. Now, doesn't obey whom? Her teachers. So this whole her
Yes.
teachers is my object.
Yes.
Now do the same thing. Step 1, interchange object and subject. So her teachers ban gaya mera subject, new subject ban gaya. Then does not obey ka ban gaya are not obeyed based on this thing.
Yes.
And then by Champa.
But
Means teacher like
1 minute. Ganesh, complete your doubt.
But teacher, this sentence means if we look at this sentence
Hmm.
and read, then this sentence doesn't make sense like the first one. Her teachers are not obeyed by Champa. So it
Why
may
doesn't it make
so
sense?
means it
Jab
doesn't sound similar with the fourth.
No, but
Means
meaning is the same only, na?
how will
Read
get
it
the same
again.
meaning? But
In the 4th sentence, it says Champa doesn't obey her teachers. Champa अपनी
Yes.
teachers की बात नहीं मानती है.
हाँ, yes.
ठीक है. अब in the conversion, in the passive form, I'm saying her teachers are not obeyed by Champa. Teachers की बात नहीं मानी जाती है चंपा के द्वारा.
Yes, yes.
So meaning remains the same. ठीक है. थोड़ा I
Yes,
know
yes.
confusion होगा, but meaning remains the same.
Yes, yes.
All right. Everyone give me a thumbs up if we are good to go on to the next slide. Okay, so now after simple present tense, we will do simple past tense. Oh no, sorry, there is one more thing in between. So if you notice these sentences, the subject in these sentences are all proper, are all nouns, right? Damini ho gaya, boy ho gaya, Sushant, Champa, these are all nouns. But what
Teacher, can you give some examples? Fourth question.
examples of?
Fourth question. Champa
Fourth
one.
question itself is example. What kind of example do you want? और ज्यादा
For
negative के साथ?
example, say. हाँ.
So take anything else. Wait. I can convert this one also into a negative. ठीक है? Let's say number 5 sentence can be Debbie does not understand this question. If this is the sentence, then how will I convert it? Now let me mark the subject first. This is the subject. I'll mark it with green. Object is this question. The whole
teacher
thing.
this question is not understood by Debbie.
Yes, perfect. Okay, let me mark the object with blue. तो क्या हो जाएगा? This question. तो interchange तो कर दिया सबसे पहले. Now I have to write is and then the past participle. So this question singular है is, but I have to insert the negative part also. तो हमेशा is, am, are, was, were इसके ठीक बाद negative जो है not वो डालना है and then past participle form. So is not, then understand का past participle form is understood and then by Debbie. ठीक है? That's how we will solve it. So
Yes.
the negative, if there is a negative in the sentence, it will always come between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. उन दोनों के बीच में आ जाएगा not. Similarly, now, what I was telling was कि in all these sentences, the subject is a noun. Either it's a common noun or it's a proper noun. But what if instead of the noun, there is a pronoun? What if a pronoun is a subject? I, he, she. ऐसा कुछ हो गया. Then it changes a little differently. अभी जैसे हम क्या कर रहे थे? By Damini. Damini remains the same. By the boy. Again, the boy remains same. By Sushant. Sushant remains the same. But if there is a pronoun, तो वो थोड़ा different change होगा. ठीक है? On your screen, on the right hand corner, you can see how will we change it. If the subject is I, it will become by me. If it is we, it will become by us. You का you रहेगा. He by him, she by her, it by it, and they by them. So you'll practice this a little bit. The sentence is I love pizza.
Pizza is loved by me.
Pizza is loved by me. Perfect. Thank you so much, Nisha. Pizza is loved by, then I ke jagah pe, I was the subject, right? But instead of I will change it to me. So by me. Similarly, let's look for this second one.
A letter is written by him.
Perfect. Thank you so much. A letter is written by him. ठीक है, he का him बन गया. Third wala, everyone write in the chat box instead of saying out the answer. Don't say the answer. Let's give everyone a chance. ठीक है, third sentence, please write in the chat box. She reads a novel. She reads a novel. Shubham, always keep in mind there is an article also there. So you have to include that also. A novel is read by her. Perfect. Very good job, everyone. Similarly, now you can send for the fourth one also. क्या हो जाएगा fourth वाले का? They don't obey their teachers. Send in the answer for this. How will you convert it? I can see the subject, the object will become the subject. So their teachers pehle aa jayega. Here, their teachers, let's see the answers. Everyone send your answers. I can see a lot of right answers. Thoda tense ko leke confusion hai. Third form of obey is obeyed. So include that. Past participle form of obey is obeyed. So their teachers are not aa gaya idhar, are not obeyed. So between the auxiliary are and the main verb obeyed, दोनों के बीच में मैंने not लगा दिया. So their teachers are not obeyed by, they का बन गया, if I look at the top corner, they का बन गया by them. So by them. That's it. That's the exact same sentence everyone is sending in the chat box also. Okay, their teachers are not obeyed by them. That's how you will convert it. Right now, what I want you to do is take the next 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. ये right side corner पे जो table दिया हुआ है of the pronouns. How will you change the pronouns? I want you to note this down in your notebooks. Okay, we are taking 1 minute to note this down. I will become by me, we becomes by us, you by you, he by him, she by her, it by it, and they by them. We are coming back at 12:22. Thank you all those who have already written. Good job. Let's take another 30 seconds. Archita, do you have a doubt? You have raised your hand. All right, time is up. Now we are going on to the next one. That is, ये हो गया हमारा simple present tense. Now we will do simple past tense. So because you have noted down the pronouns wala table in your notebooks, you are going to use that as well. Now I will not show it separately. So if the active voice is in simple past tense, this is what the form will become. Was, were, plus the third form. इसके पहले simple present, please note this down. In simple present tense, it was is, am, are, and then past participle form. But in simple past tense, was, were, and then past participle form. Once you have noted this down, you can start sending the answer for the first one. Damini loved pizzas. Send in the chat box, Bhumika. Thank you, Aditya, Priyanka, Shubham, Archita, Debbie, Tanali, Lakshmi. Yes, all answers are right. Lakshmi, Bhumika, Vaishnavi. Yeah, again the same thing. I will switch, interchange the object and subject. So pizza aa gaya samne. Then was or were mein se I will use was because pizza is singular. So pizza was. Third form of loved is loved. And then by Damini. Damini is a proper noun, so it will remain the same. Let's go on to the second one. The boy wrote a letter. If someone wants to unmute an answer, you can do that.
A letter.
Bhumika, go on.
A letter was written by the boy.
Okay, that was Lakshmi, I guess. Yeah. A letter was written by the boy. Correct. A letter was written by the boy. Good job. Now the third one. Who wants to unmute and answer? And you can send in the chat box also. Yeah, the answers that I've received till now, all are correct. Shubham, again and again, I'm reminding you कि don't forget the article. अगर अ लगा हुआ है तो अ लगाओ, द है तो द लगाओ. Don't forget the article. You will lose marks for that. Yes, Debbie?
The manager was feared by me.
Fired. मतलब मैंने नौकरी से निकाल
Fired.
दिया. Yeah. The manager was fired by me. ठीक है. And the last one, who will unmute and answer? You can also send in the chat box.
Teacher, the little puppy was adopted by them.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Akanksha. The little puppy was adopted by them. I can see in the chat box also, everyone is sending the same answer, right? The little puppy was adopted by them. Great. Good job. So I can see that you are understanding how to do this. So only thing you have to do is identify which tense it is in, because abhi hum kya kar rahe hain, because I've broken it down into the tenses. I am giving you sentences which are already in simple past tense. You already know कि ये simple past tense में है, तो इसमें यही was, were and past participle लगेगा. Now, when you get in the exam, the only thing you have to do is identify in what tense the sentence is. Is it simple past? Is it past continuous? Is it simple present? What is the tense? That you have to identify. Once you do that, you quickly recall कि table में कैसा था, इधर से ऐसे conversion होना है, simple past में ये बन जाता है, was, were and past participle. Once you get that, you can easily convert it. So the only way to achieve that, I know सुनने में मुश्किल लग रहा है, but the only way to achieve that is through a lot of practice. ठीक है? The more you practice, the more you will easily memorize the whole table. Great. I'm going to pause for 10 seconds right now. On a scale of 0 to 5, simple present tense and simple past tense, how much have you understood till now? On a scale of 0 to 5, if you think that yes, you will be able to convert all these sentences, give me a 5. Otherwise, rate yourself. Ash Dubey is at 6. Amazing. 3, 4, 5, 3.5. So if you're 3 and above, that's a good place to be. If someone is below 3, please do let me
Teacher,
know right
what?
now. I'm asking 0 to 5, rate yourself कि कितने confident हो अभी in terms of simple present tense and simple past tense. 0 to 5, how much is your rating? Great, great. If there is someone below 3 also, please do let me know. I will give you separate time. अलग से बैठ के करेंगे. Shreya asks if complex and compound sentences will come, then how to do? We will do that also. For now, because we are just starting off, तो आज हम सिर्फ simple sentences करेंगे. ठीक है? We'll do all the tenses, but form of the sentence will be simple only. Then eventually we will do compound and complex sentences as well. Great. We are going to move on then. अब simple past tense के बाद we'll do simple future tense. First one, who will answer? Someone who has not answered till now, please unmute and tell me what will be the first one. Damini will eat a pizza. This is in simple future tense. And इसका form change ऐसे हो जाएगा.
Pizza will be eaten by Damini.
Pizza will be eaten by Damini. Great. Thank you, Bhumika. Others, you can, by the time I type this answer, you can note down this one. Will, shall be, past participle form of verb. कैसे change होता है, that you can note down. Let's take another 10 seconds and then you can start answering for the second one. Write in the chat box what will be answer for the second one.
A letter will be written by
Bhumika,
the
write in the chat box. That's okay. The boy will write a letter. This will become, let's see in the chat box, a letter will be written by the boy. Letter will be written by.
Teacher, why we are writing ulta?
Why we are writing ulta? This is called passive voice. Were you in yesterday's class, Gopal? If not, make sure you go through the notes, you go through the recording, because it's a very important topic, huh?
No, I was.
You were, na? Haan, so this is not ulta. This is just called passive voice. We read the reasons also for that. Why do we need to write it in this reversed order? Why do we need to write in passive voice? Because if the focus is on pizza rather than Damini, then we will write in passive voice. A letter will be written by him. Yeah. Some of you have written a letter will be written by him. That's actually incorrect. Why? Because
there is not he na in the
exactly.
starting.
There is no pronoun in the starting. There is a noun. So we'll keep the noun exactly the same. So answer will be a letter will be written by the boy. That's your answer. Third one. She will attend the meeting.
The meeting will be attended by her.
Thank you, Nikita. Good. I'm really glad to see that you're understanding it today.
Teacher, I wrote all the examples also.
Good.
Now.
The meeting will be, yeah, the others who are already, who are solving really quickly, you can actually go ahead and solve all the 4 together only. And you can write them in your notebooks.
Done.
Good. The meeting will be attended by her. She is a pronoun, so she will become her. In the chat box also, I can see similar answers. Great. And the last one, who wants to unmute and answer? Someone who has not answered yet. Someone who has not given the answer yet. If you want to unmute, go ahead.
The movie will be.
Bhumika, you have answered na. Let the other person answer. Who
The
was it?
movie will be watched by them together.
Thank you, Pranali. The movie will be watched by them together. Thank you so much. Yes. Now see, Pranali has given the right answer, and see how what she did. The word together, it is not a part of the object. It's not the subject. It's not the verb. So we keep it for the end only. ठीक है? End में हम उसको लगा देंगे. So now here the object is the movie. Form of the verb will change. Will be. Then participle form is watched by. They का हो जाएगा them. And then एक word जो मेरा रह गया था together, I will write that in the end. The movie will be watched by them together. थोड़ा इसमें कंफ्यूजन है. टुगेदर को कहाँ लगाना, जो टुगेदर है उसको एकदम एंड में भेज दो. इजीएस्ट वे. भूमि, द मूवी विल बी वॉचिंग लिखा है. वॉचिंग नहीं होगा. ओके. थर्ड फॉर्म और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वॉच इज वॉच्ड. सो विल बी वॉच्ड हो जाएगा. ग्रेट. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस के बाद we are going to move on to present continuous tense. ठीक है. Now we have done all the simple tenses. Simple present, simple past, simple future. तीनों हो गए. अब करेंगे present continuous tense. Let's quickly do this. So इसका form है is, am, are, being use होगा, and then the past participle form. So if I'll solve the first one for you, although I know a lot of you have already solved it, but I will still do the first one for you. Now again, my object is a pizza, तो वो सामने आ गया. Pizza, अब is, am, are में से this is in singular, so is लग गया. Plus being लगा दिया. A pizza is being. Now eating का third form हो गया eaten, and then by, and Damini will remain the same because it is proper noun. A pizza is being eaten by Damini. Similarly, all of you, let's start solving for the second, third, and fourth one. Also do write what's given on top. So what is the conversion? Note down that also. And then you can start sending answers for the second, third, and fourth.
A letter is being written by a boy. The boy.
Yeah, good. Thank you. The boy को ध्यान रखना है. A letter is being written by the boy. If the sentence was the boy is writing letters, then how would have we converted it? The boy is writing letters. तो इसका क्या हो जाता passive form?
Teacher, the letters are being written by the boy.
Very good. Thank you, Debbie. If the letters वो अगर plural होता तो plural के साथ में is ना लग के are हो जाता. So letters are being written by the boy बन जाता फिर. All right, great. Moving on to the third one. Who will answer this? I am attending the meeting. This is in present continuous. What will be the passive form? You can unmute and answer. In the chat box also I can see answers. Sorry, repeat that again.
The meeting is attended by me.
The meeting is being attended by me.
Yeah, Nisha got the right answer. Bhumika, make sure being भी add होगा, ठीक है? Being भी add करना है. So again, object is the meeting. Here the meeting is singular, so is. Then I will add being. So singular हो, plural हो, कुछ भी हो, being तो लगेगा ही. In present continuous tense. The meeting is being. Then third form is attended by, and I का बन जाएगा me. The meeting is being attended by me. Great. In the chat box also I see similar answers. Hardik, you have written a meeting is being attended. ठीक है? Make sure it is the meeting. जो आर्टिकल सेंटेंस में, ओरिजिनल सेंटेंस में दिया है, यूज द सेम थिंग. And then the last one, the fourth one, all of you can send in the chat. Oh, someone wants to answer. Go ahead.
The movie is being being watched by them together.
Perfect. Thank you so much. The movie is being watched by them, and then together end में ही आ जाएगा. Let me check the chat also. The movie is being watched by them together. Yeah. Aditya, Vaishnavi, Bhumika. Got it right. Oh, Aditya, you were not writing being. मैंने नहीं देखा. Pranali, why are you forwarding Aditya's answers? All right. Present continuous tense हो गया, clear है सबको? तो we'll move on to past continuous tense. इसमें is, am, are के जगह was या were आ जाएगा. That's the only difference. ठीक है. In past continuous tense was या were लगेगा, साथ में being रहेगा and past participle form. ठीक है. What I want you to do is take the next 3 minutes, write the answers in your notebooks, and then any two people you can unmute and tell me the answers after that. ठीक है. अभी take 2 minutes. I'm going to rest my voice for 2 minutes, and after that you will tell me the answers. Start writing in your notebook. All right, once you're done, you still have 1 more minute left. So write aram se. Once you're done, first sentence ka answer will be given by Amay. After that, I will hear the second sentence's answer from Ganesh. No, not Ganesh. I will hear from Anand. Third sentence ka answer I will hear from Archita. And fourth sentence from Ganesh. Okay, so Amay, Anand, Archita, Ganesh. That is the order in which I will get the answers. And you have to unmute an answer for these 4 students. Others, please don't send in the chat box. Just check your answers from the screen. That's all. Don't write in the chat box for this one. All right, Amay, whenever you are ready, you can unmute and start answering. So first Amay, then second का answer Anand देगा, third का answer Archita देगी, and fourth का Ganesh.
Teacher, answer is a pizza was eaten by Damini.
Again, look carefully and answer one by one. ठीक है? अभी object हमने सामने कर दिया. A pizza object आ गया. Then pizza singular है या plural?
Singular.
So we will add was. उसके बाद क्या लगेगा? लुक एट दिस बोल्ड लाइन हियर, यहाँ से देख के बताओ. वॉज और वर में से वॉज लगा दिया, उसके बाद क्या आ जाएगा? गो ऑन अमर. अभी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग कि वर्ब का ऐसा चेंज होगा, वी विल यूज ईदर वॉज एंड वर, फिर बीइंग लगेगा एंड देन द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने ऑब्जेक्ट कर दिया है आगे अ पिज्जा, वॉज लगा दिया, उसके बाद क्या आएगा?
being,
बीइंग. वेरी गुड. देन थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, सो ईटिंग का थर्ड फॉर्म, ईट का थर्ड फॉर्म
eat का third, eaten,
ईटन. देन
eaten by Damini.
by Damini. Very good. Thank you so much, Amir. Like this, if you do step by step systematically, गलत नहीं होगा फिर. All right. Second का answer, Anand, please unmute and start answering.
A letter
Hmm.
was written
Hmm.
by the boy.
Again, look carefully. A letter was, because this is singular, was आ गया. उसके बाद being को नहीं भूलना है. Was being, then whatever you said, written by
boy, with the boy.
the boy. Very good. Yes, these are the small things you have to keep in mind. कोई word miss ना हो जाए. So a letter was being written by the boy. Great. Third one, Archita, go on.
All tickets were
Hmm.
collected by me.
Again, look carefully. You are missing out the same word. All three of you have missed out the same word. All tickets. Now this is plural, तो were लग गया. Good. यहाँ तक अच्छा किया है. इसके बाद
Collected.
again check ऊपर
Being
बोल
collected by me.
yes, being collected by me. Good. See, now I can already see कि if the object is plural, then you are very well able to use was, were, is, are. That much you have been able to understand the difference. I can also see जो pronoun है उसको you are able to change. I का me भी बहुत अच्छे से किया है. Only thing you are missing out is ये was, were के बाद का जो part है उसमें थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है. So don't forget being. Past continuous में being लगेगा. So, and same for present continuous also, right? So all tickets were being collected by me. Great. And the last one, Ganesh, go on. You can unmute and answer.
Christmas gifts were being shopped by them yesterday.
Great. Good job. Very good. Christmas gifts is my object, was my object. Now it is the subject. So, sorry. Christmas gifts. What am I typing? Were. Now they were plural. So were rahega. Being shopped is the third form. By they का बन गया them and yesterday end में आ जाएगा. Great, amazing, good job. Good job, everyone. Give a pat, give yourself a pat on your back, and with that we'll move on to future continuous tense. But if you remember, we discussed कि future continuous tense का change हो ही नहीं सकता. Can anyone tell me क्यों नहीं change हो सकता?
उसकी मर्जी टीचर.
उसकी मर्जी नहीं. The thing is, okay, instinctively ऐसे सोच के बताओ. अभी भूल जाओ कि इसका change नहीं हो सकता. Forget this part. ठीक है. But if you look at this sentence, Damini will be eating a pizza. This is in future continuous tense. So according to you, what should be the passive form of this? क्या लग रहा है देख के sentence
A pizza will be eaten by Damini.
Exactly, right? हमको पढ़ के ऐसा ही लग रहा है. A pizza will be eaten by Damini. Now, if I go back to simple future tense, किधर गया? ये तो simple past हो गया. Yeah, simple future tense. Read the first sentence here. A pizza will be eaten by Damini. This is the same thing that Nikita just said, right? So that means if I'm trying to convert it, मेरे को difference कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैंने simple future tense का किया या future continuous का किया? So there will be no difference. It is not possible to convert future continuous tense. उसको convert करेंगे तो it will come back to the same form as future simple future tense. which means there will be no difference. So it doesn't make sense. That's why future continuous tense को हम change ही नहीं कर सकते.
Teacher, in board exam they ask this future continuous tense
No.
one.
So जैसे future continuous हो गया, future perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, इन चारों tenses को we cannot convert, and that's why they will not come in the exam. It's just for your knowledge कि ऐसा sentence अगर कभी दिखता है and you want to change it, change the focus and present it, you can't do that. ठीक है, इसको हमें active voice में ही बोलना पड़ेगा. Great. So with that, we'll move on to perfect tense. Okay, I'll pause for a few minutes, a few seconds right now. You tell me, what is your saturation level right now? बहुत ज्यादा आज के लिए ओवरलोड हो गया, इन्फॉर्मेशन और नहीं कर पाएंगे, या अभी 3 और स्लाइड्स रहते हैं, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, ये 3 स्लाइड्स कर लेंगे, क्या लगता है? Can we do it? Can we push ourselves a little bit? Only 3 slides are left. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect.
Do.
है ना? These are easy sentences. I think we can push ourselves. All right. The ones who are saying no, please have a little bit more faith in yourself. You will be able to do it. ठीक है? And they are just what 4 into 3, 12 sentences. अभी
10 minutes more ना.
10 minutes more easily. ठीक है? Present perfect tense is on the screen. You can start noting down. This converts into has, have, been, and then the past participle form. Start noting it down. You have 1 minute to note it, and then I will model the first sentence for you. Let's take another 30 seconds. Great. Let me model this out for you. I can already see answers in the chat box. Do keep them coming. Now the same thing. Switch the object and subject. So a pizza. Now has, have, been, and then past participle. So a pizza is singular. So has been. Third form is eaten. Now it's easy for me in this case because third form past perfect tense में तो always third form use होता है. Third form is already given to me. So a pizza has been eaten by, the noun remains the same, by Damini. Let me check in the answers. A pizza has been eaten by Damini. Great. All of you are getting same answers. Next one, a boy has stolen my watch. Who wants to unmute and answer this one?
My watch has been stolen by the boy.
Great. My watch has been stolen by the boy. Next one, who will answer? Someone different.
The sum has not been solved by me.
Very good. The sum has and solved के बीच में I will put the negative word, right? So has not, has not and then been आएगा. Has not been solved is the third form, and then by me. I का बन गया me. Great. And then the last one, they have helped a lot of needy people. Who will answer this one?
Teacher, a lot of needy people have been helped by them.
Very good. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi. Yes, this time the object is the whole thing. A lot of needy people. Normally, I would think कि सिर्फ people object है या needy people object है. Okay, but that's what is the complete object. all the adjectives along with it, सब कुछ मुझे साथ में लेके consider करना है. So a lot of needy people, ये पूरा मेरा object बन जाएगा. A lot of needy people have, because a lot of needy people plural hai, have been helped is the third form by, and them aa jayega, they ka them ban jayega. Great. Who is confused? Let me see. Akanksha. Akanksha, please tell me what is your confusion?
Teacher, the last sentence I didn't understood. How to put it in the form.
Okay, it's the same thing. I think you are getting confused in selecting the object. कि शुरू
Yeah.
किससे करना है, right? So, what, according to you, what should be the object of the sentence?
I've had a lot of needy people. A lot of needy people.
हाँ, so see, you can either say, you will think यार object तो people है, right? Helping whom? The people. So you will think object तो सिर्फ people होगा, but फिर ये all lot of needy किधर जाएगा?
Yeah.
So people किस तरह के people? Needy people. कितने people? कितने needy people? A lot of needy people. So I will count the whole thing as my object. ये बन गया मेरा object. A lot of needy people. Then I'll follow the same steps. A lot of needy people means बहुत सारे लोग हैं. It's plural. So have लग गया. Then been लग गया. And then the third form of the verb helped लग गया. And then by them.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
It's the same thing, right? Every time, how much ever complex the sentence gets, just break it down to those 3 steps and it will be easier for you. Great. With that, moving on to past perfect tense. Again, we'll follow the same method, right? You'll take 1 minute to note this much down, the part given in bold. If it is past perfect tense, we will change it to had. Now, the thing with had is, अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो भी had लगेगा, अगर प्लूरल है तो भी had लगेगा. So that's a good thing. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ had, been and then the past participle form. Take 1 minute to note down and then you can start unmuting and answering the passive voices.
A pizza had been eaten by.
A pizza had been eaten by Damini.
Thank you, Bhumika and Nisha.
Second one, can I tell teacher?
Yes, Akanksha, go on.
My watch had been stolen by the boy.
Great. Yeah, in the chat box
Third
also
one,
I can see the same answers.
Third one, I teacher, can I say?
Yes, Lakshmi, you can. 1 minute. Huh? Harsh Dubey, you are writing by a boy. By the boy hoga. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's all right. Yeah, go on, Lakshmi.
The sum had not been solved by me.
Great. The sum had not been solved by me. Yeah, Aditya, keep in mind you have to use been. जो be का form दिया हुआ है, been हो गया, being हो गया, जो भी होगा उस केस में you have to use that. And then the last one. They had helped a lot of needy people.
Teacher,
What
should
will
I
happen?
say?
Yes, go on.
A lot of needy people had been helped by them.
Great. Had been helped by them. That's all. All right, wonderful. I'll wait for 10 seconds in case there is someone who needs to note something from this slide, and then I'll go on to our last slide of the day. Moving on in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and great. This is the last slide for today. If the active voice is in future perfect tense, so will, shall, have, been. Sounds really complex. Will ya shall, then have, been, and past participle form. So future perfect in itself is quite complex, right? Read the sentences in active. Damini will have eaten a pizza.
Did you ever add have?
हाँ, you will follow this whole thing. So इस case में क्या हो जाएगा? I'll do the first one for you. Aditya sent the answer.
Pizza will
object आ
have
जाएगा.
been eaten by Damini.
Exactly. Really confusing, right? Sounds really confusing, but that's how it will be. So a pizza, will या shall में से will हो जाएगा. So shall we use when we are using plural pronoun, like we use होता है तब use करेंगे, or some plural noun, or if we are using I, उस time पे we can use shall. Otherwise will लगेगा. ठीक है? So a pizza will have been then eaten, third form, eaten by Damini. Great.
The
Next
second one I say
Yes, Lakshmi, you can tell.
the watch will have been used by the boy.
Great. The watch will have been used by the boy. And the chat also I can see the same. Wait. For the third and fourth, I want to hear from someone who has not answered. So I will cold call this time. Let's see who is not answering very frequently, who has not spoken in today's class. Bhumi, do you want to try this one, the third one?
Yes, 1 minute.
Tell me.
I will. That one.
Yeah, the third one. I will have not solved the sum. इसका क्या हो जाएगा?
I will have not solved the sum. I will have been. No, sorry.
First we take
Teacher,
the
can I say?
object, right? No, wait. Let Bhumi answer this one. First we'll take the object. Object है the sum. So we'll start sentence with the sum. फिर क्या लगेगा भूमि? Will have been. Very good.
Not.
अच्छा एक not भी है हाँ बीच में. So not किधर आ जाएगा? Will और have के बीच में. Will not have been. Then solved. फिर by whom? किससे नहीं solve हो रहा है?
By him.
Look at the pronoun here. I है. तो I का क्या बन जाएगा?
Him.
Check your notebook.
1 minute.
The sum will not have been solved by me. Perfect. Thank you so much, Bhumi. Yeah, the sum will not have been solved by me. This will be the answer. And for the fourth one, let me again see who is the person who has not spoken in today's class at all. Gopal, would you like to answer this one? Gopal or Udita, any one person can go ahead. Oh, Smriti is also there. You have also not spoken. So Gopal, Udita, Smriti, तीनों में से जो भी बोलना चाहे बोल सकता है.
A lot of needy people have been helped by them.
और will कहाँ जाएगा? खा लिया उसको, इतनी भूख लग गई. Try again. A lot of needy people. इतना तो ठीक है. We got the object in the place of subject.
Will be helped by them.
Again, look over here. Will shall के बाद have और been आएगा.
Will have been helped by them.
Great. Thank you so much, Gopal. A lot of needy people will have been helped by them.
Teacher,
Yes, Lakshmi.
in the place of will we can put shall also, na, because it is plural here.
Yes, we can. So you can write will or shall, anything you want. A lot of needy people shall have been helped by them. Both are right. Great. Thank you so much for attending both the classes today. I hope thoda bahut kuch samajh aaya. What I'll do is, aise hi simple sentences. I'm not giving you compound or complex sentences yet, but I'll gather more of these simple sentences and I'll give that to you for homework. Okay? Not a lot, but a total of, let's say, 20 sentences you will need to convert for homework. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope that works. Great. So with that, we are going to end the class. Bye, everyone. Go have lunch. You have had a really long day today.
Bye, teacher.
All right. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye,
Take
teacher. Take
care.
care.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.